Hello class and welcome back. I'm Professor Leo. Today we aren't just writing code, we are preventing disasters. We are talking about exception handling in C#.
Finally, a topic that separates the pros from the people who let their apps crash and burn. C Sharp saves the day again.
Calm down, sis. It's just try catch. We have that in Java too, you know. And honestly, we do it with a bit more elegance.
Elegance? Please. You probably write 10 lines of boilerplate just to catch a cold. Today is about C Sharp Supremacy. Hashtag code and strawberries.
Alright, settle down you two. We have a lot to cover. We need to teach the students how to stop their programs from crashing when things go wrong, like when null pointers maximus attacks. So, what is an exception? In C#, it's a response to a runtime anomaly. If we don't handle it, the program stops executing gracefully and just crashes.
Like Tulip's mood when we run out of strawberry shortcake.
Hey, that was one time! Anyway, Leo is right. Ideally, we want to wrap risky code in a security bubble so the user doesn't see a scary error message.
The most basic tool we have is a try-catch block.
It's super simple. You put the code that might explode inside the try block. If it throws an exception, the try block stops immediately, and the code jumps right into the catch block.
Exactly. And Daisy, can we just catch anything?
You could, but you shouldn't be lazy. You should use specific exceptions. If you just catch System.Exception, you're doing Pokémon exception handling.
Gotta catch 'em all?
No, you don't want to catch 'em all. You don't want to catch an out-of-memory exception with a butterfly net, Tulip.
Right, if we catch generic exceptions without logging or rethrowing them, we might swallow bugs, making them impossible to find later.
Exactly. Don't just sweep errors under the rug. If you catch null pointerus maximus, aka a null reference exception, you'd better have a plan to defeat him.
Now, what if we open a file in our try block, but the program crashes before we close it?
Then you have a memory leak, and that is so embarrassing.
That's why we use the finally block. It executes no matter what. Whether the code crashes or works, the finally block runs last to clean up the mess.
Actually, Professor, that's the old school way.
Oh no, here comes the Java lecture.
No, it's cleaner. Just wrap around a using statement. It makes the try finally work automatically in one line. See? Less typing, same safety.
Excellent point, Daisy. The using keyword is syntactic sugar that ensures your finally block happens automatically.
Show off. Just because she saved 4 lines of code doesn't mean Java is better.
Let's get advanced. C# has a cool feature called exception filters.
Oh, I love these! You can add a when keyword to your catch block. It acts like a bouncer at a club. You only catch the exception if a certain condition is true.
For example, we could catch an exception only if the error code matches a specific number. And finally, what if we catch an error but realize we can't fix it?
Then you throw it. You can throw a new, more specific exception, or just rethrow the original one so someone else up the chain can handle it. Whoa, stop! Don't write the throw like that.
Why? I'm throwing variable x.
You just wiped the fingerprints off the crime scene. If you write throw x, you lose the original stack trace. Just write like this to keep the evidence.
Exactly, we can't solve the murder if you hide the body, Tulip.
I plead the fifth. I mean, the finally.
To wrap up, remember, exception handling keeps your application stable. Use try for risky code, use catch for specific errors, use finally to clean up resources, and never use empty catch blocks just to silence errors.
If you followed these rules, your code might actually be as stable as my Java architecture. Maybe.
In your dreams, sis, C Sharp is the best.
Good work, you two. Class dismissed.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding adventures against null pointerus maximus.